Network flow analytics is, as I said, it's the best thing to detect a threat. And why? Because network traffic doesn't lie, right? So you can as a hacker, you can stop logging, or you can go into a system and erase the audit logs maybe, but you can't cut off the network. You cannot really do anything with the network, because that's where everything is flowing. So you cannot really make the network to lie. You can confuse me to some extent, in the sense I can send spoofing packets everywhere, but there is still a limit till which you can do that, right? So in QRadar, the added capability that we have put in is we can also do a layer 7 flow data. So what do you mean by layer 7? If you know the OSI layer, layer 7 is the application layer. So I, as a product, I can detect whether there is a torrent being downloaded, or there is a data transfer happening. If somebody is using Skype, if somebody is using Google Talk, I can detect everything of this sort, because I am application aware. I have been, there is inner intelligence that has been fed into me, and that is fed every week, by the way. It's called through auto update functionality. So every week I get information as to a new application or a new kind of attack. So every week my database is updated with those. So I allow end administrators to actually dig down and look at layer 7 flow data. So it's very easy for a QRadar administrator to find out whether somebody is using Skype when they are not supposed to be using Skype, or somebody is using torrent if they are not supposed to be using torrent. Same for P2P applications, right? It helps detect anomalies that might otherwise get missed, right? As I said, you can, as a hacker, you can clear up an audit record, but as a hacker, you cannot clear up network traffic. It will still show up, right? It will, and this particular network flow analytics, they enable visibility into attacker communication, right? So I can look at the malware opening a backdoor to a certain IP in China and sending out hardware information, saying that, okay, I am alive here, I am on this IP, and this is a Windows host, and this has this particular port open. So malwares typically do that. They open backdoors for their end users. So if I can send a malware to some site, and it will allow me a backdoor. So if something like this is happening, it will, this particular network flow analytics will give us visibility into those communications. User activity monitoring. So this is